In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inline comments in Confluence Cloud. This is a useful feature for collaborating more effectively with your team by providing specific feedback on content directly within the page. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you intend to add your comment. Make sure that you're on the correct page, as inline comments are tied to the particular section of content you choose to highlight. Once you've verified you're in the right spot, scroll to the part of the text where you want to insert your comment. Next, to initiate the comment, simply select the text you wish to comment on by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This action will highlight the text, and it's this highlighting that will prompt the necessary tools for commenting to appear. This is a crucial step because you'll need that visual cue to proceed. After you've highlighted the desired text, a floating toolbar should appear right above it. This toolbar provides various options, but for adding a comment, you'll want to click the comment button. This is usually represented by a speech bubble icon, making it easy to spot. Clicking this button opens up a text box where you can type out your feedback or thoughts. Take a moment to write your comment into the box provided. Keep in mind, this is a chance to communicate clearly with your team, so make sure your feedback is concise yet thorough. Whether you're suggesting an edit, highlighting an issue, or simply asking a question, clarity is key. Once your comment is ready, the next step is to save it by clicking the Add button. Doing so ensures that your comment is now an inline addition to the page and that others in your team can view it. After your comment is published, all inline comments will appear on the right-hand side in the comment panel. This makes it easy to track feedback and discussions related to specific sections of the document. From here, team members can engage further by replying to your comment if they have responses or need clarifications. Furthermore, once your comment has been addressed, it can be marked as resolved, making it simple to manage and conclude discussions. Remember that collaboration is key in this process, so keeping the dialogue open and accessible ensures everyone is on the same page. Lastly, to enhance collaboration, you can @mention your teammates directly within your comment. By typing the @symbol followed by their username, you notify them instantly of your comment. This direct communication helps in quickly bringing any matters to their attention, ensuring a smooth and proficient workflow. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on adding inline comments in Confluence Cloud. Thanks for watching, and happy commenting. This feature is sure to enhance your team's ability to collaboratively refine and perfect your projects.